Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So here is another video on how to use camera in your Excel. So by default it is not available. So we have to add it on our Excel. So for that you have to click on file, choose options, and then I'm going to add it on my quick access toolbar. So I'm selecting the quick access toolbar, and from here I will choose all commands and I will search for camera. So here it is, and I select the camera option and click on add. Now simply I will click on the OK. So you can see camera is added on my Excel. Now to use it, first of all I have to select my data and then I will select on the camera. Now it has captured all my data. So I'm going to paste it here in the Excel. So it is copied here in my Excel. So what is the use of it? So whenever I change in my previous data, it will automatically reflect in my captured image. For example, I will select here class 4, so it is shown here. Similarly, if I change class 6 to 7, it will be reflected on my captured image also. So in this way we can use camera in our Excel. I hope you like this video. Have a good day ahead. Thank you all.